Yesterday we have to see this one. Isomers, same molecular formula, but not identical structures. Now we have to move with the constitutional isomerisms. Here constitutional isomers are isomers which have same molecular formula but differ in the way their atoms are connected. That isomers are called as constitutionals or structural isomers. Name itself indicated structural isomer means differ in the structures. That isomers are called as structural or constitutional isomers. Now we have to move in detail with the constitutional isomers. The definition related with the constitutional isomers. These are the isomers which have same molecular formula but differ in the way their atoms are connected. This is one of the example. Here butane is the example, N alkane and butane. Their molecular formula is C4H10. And another example you have to see, that is 2-methyl propane. The molecular formula is same, C4H10. Both the examples having same molecular formula. The basic criteria of isomers having same molecular formula. These two examples are structural isomers of each others. Here the difference in this both the example butane and 2-methyl propane is a structural difference. Here straight chain in butanes, here branch chains in 2-methyl propene. That's why it is called as constitutional isomers. Same molecular formula but differ in the way their atoms are connected. Another examples of constitutional isomers. Here ethanol, their isomeric form either dimethyl ethers. Both are structural isomers of each others. The molecular formula are different. Molecular structure is different, but molecular formula is same. Here molecular formula is C2H6O, dimethyl ether and ethanol. The molecular formula is same, but differ in the atoms connected in the structures. Another example, if you see 1-chlorobutane and 2-chlorobutanes. Here chlorine is present at first positions and here chlorine is present at second positions. The molecular formula of this 1-chlorobutane and 2-chlorobutane is C4H9Cl. The molecular formula is same but differ in the arrangement. Here the chlorine is present at one position, whereas in second example, chlorine is present at second position. Both the structures are different one. So on the basis, this 1-chlorobutane and 2-chlorobutane is a structural or constitutional isomers of each others. दोघांचं compare केलं, both having isomeric form in the form of structural isomers. Another example, pentane and isopentane. Pentane is 5 members, unbranched C5H12. Whereas in isopentane, there is a branch of methyl group on second last carbon atom. The molecular formula is same, C5H12. Both are structural isomers of each others because the basic criteria is same molecular formula but differ in the structures. Another examples containing ketone as a functional group. Here example is acetone and here aldehyde. Both the acetone and propanaldehyde having same molecular formula, that is C3H6O, but differ in structural arrangement. In this way, we have to learn about what is meant by constitutional isomers. Same molecular formula, but differ in the arrangement of atoms that are connected to the structures are different one. Any isomers having any compound or any molecule or any molecular formula having minimum two isomeric forms available. So these are the examples of constitutional isomers. Again, these constitutional isomers are classified on the basis of their structural changes like chain isomerism, tautomerism, functional isomerisms, like that they are categorized. Again, they are categorized five types: chain configuration isomers, functional isomerisms, tautomerisms, that is keto and enol is the examples of tautomerisms, metamerisms, and another one chain. They are further categorized as a constitutional isomers. Now, how to draw the constitutional structures isomers of alkanes? Their drawing styles we have to study here. There are one examples. The constitutional isomers having the molecular formula with C6H4, that is hexane. I will write, we have to see with this example hexane. Hexane का घेतले कारण number of carbon atom जास्त आहेत त्यामुळे possibility of structures drawing are more possible isomeric structural isomers we have to draw. First, start by connecting the carbon in a line. The first drawing of constitutional isomers of alkanes. This is a pattern of drawing of carbon-carbon 6 in a single patterns. Another pattern is one of the carbon group shifted to the iso positions. This is one of the skeleton. Here shifted with this second position, next position. This is another pattern of carbon-carbon connections. Another pattern. One more pattern where 6 carbon atoms are connected to each other. These are the possible carbon connections. Here, shifting of one carbon atom from unbranched to branch. Here, position change, positional isomers, chain isomers, functional isomers, tautomers, and metamers. These are the 5 constitutional isomer subtypes. Here, another 2 substitutions and different position substitutions. These are the 5 possible isomeric form with this C6H4, same molecular formula. Fill this carbon atom with hydrogen atoms. First structure, if you see like that, C6H14 in the structures. If you see with this next structure, if fill with the carbon hydrogen atoms, the 5 carbon atom here and one with this positions, and all the hydrogens are 14s. Here 3, here 3, 3, 3 9s, and these are the 5 ones. Total 14 C6H14. As per the isomeric form, same molecular formula but differ in the structures. Similarly, another examples, after filling hydrogens, they look like their structures. Hmm? C6H14. These are the structures after filling of the hydrogen atoms. So, these structures are converted in the single lines. Here, representation of this carbon and hydrogen. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Similarly, with this, another examples, 6 carbon atoms. Here, look like in the lines. That bendings, whatever the bends you have to observe in these examples, that bend indicating carbon atom presence. So in this way, the constitutional isomers we have to draw. Here one examples you have to see. Similarly, you have to draw n numbers of examples and practice for that one in these patterns. Here, this is the first isomeric form. This is second isomeric form, constitutional isomeric form, third, fourth, and fifth. All are structural isomers of each others. If anyone asks in the examinations by drawing these structures with these structures and identify which type of isomeric forms, then you have to give their answers in the form of structural isomers or called as constitutional isomers. Again, in deep study, they give specify this type of isomers. So the constitutional isomers again divided on the basis of their structures. Chain isomers is the first subclass of constitutional isomer. Chain isomers name itself indicate that there is a differ in chain. Isomerच्या अगोदर जे काही नाव असेल that is the differ. Same molecular formula but differ in the arrangement of carbon chains. One of the examples here C6H6 and this one. These are the chain isomers of each other. Similarly, all are chain isomers of each others. Second isomeric form, subtype of constitutional is the positional isomers. If instead of carbon hydrogens, one of the functional group is present. For example, carbon, carbon, carbon. Here hydroxy group is present. Here CS3, CH and CS3. If you draw this structure in this pattern also, their isomeric forms. This example and this 2-hydroxy examples, 2-hydroxy propanol and this ether, same molecular formula but differ in the position of carbon chains. That type of is called as metamerisms. जर एकच functional group असेल आणि त्याची पोझिशन चेंज होत असेल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल CS3 CS2 CS2 OH, one propanol and another example, two propanol. This in this example, hydroxy is a functional group. Here functional group present at one positions, whereas the similar functional group present at second positions. These examples is under functional isomerisms. It is one of the type of structural or constitutional isomerism. That is functional isomers. Same molecular formula but differ in the position of the functional group. That's why it is called as functional isomer, subclass of constitutional isomers. This is a metamers. This is the example of chain isomers. Chain, functional, tautomerism, metamerism. Tautomerism is the example of keto and enols. Keto form and enolic forms. These are the examples of tautomerisms. Sorry, this is not a metamers. This is a positional isomers. Functional isomers, sorry, differ in the functional groups. This is a functional isomers. This hydroxy groups having same functional group differ in positions, that is positional isomers. This is examples position of functional groups from 1 to 2. That isomeric form is called as positional isomers. Please clarify. This is an example of functional isomers. Same molecular formula but differ in the functional group. जो difference आहे that is functional group called as functional isomer. This is an example of chain, no doubt. Ketoenols are the tautomers, tautomerism. The examples of tautomer is ketoenols, and another one is metamers. Metamerism means there is an unequal distribution of carbon chains. Unequal distributions of carbon chain. Unequal distribution of carbon chains. That is called as metamerism. This metamerism example, best example is ether containing examples. Here, diethyl ethers, we have to take the examples for metamerisms. There is an unequal distribution of chains, carbon chains. I draw here one structure of metamerism. Here, if you consider this is a functional group, which type of ether functional groups? On ether both side, there is an unequal distributions. Here, 3 carbon atom, 1 carbon atoms. If you see with diethyl, here 2 carbon atoms are substituted. This diethyl ether and methyl propyl ethers are the metamers of each others. These are the total 5 subtypes of constitutional isomers. First is chain isomer, second positional isomer, third functional isomer, fourth tautomerism, and fifth one is a metamerisms. So these are the whole about the constitutional isomer. This is the first segment of isomerisms. After isomerism bifurcation, first part is constitutional, second is stereoisomerisms. Now we have to move in next class with stereoisomerisms, most probably on Saturday, today, tomorrow.